Having set myself the goal of publishing 100 videos in 100 days, I can't afford to spend time listening to all the YouTubers out there who have some really great advice on how to do YouTube. If you imagine you're building a house. I'm renovating a house right now. Not quite building it, but bear with me. And when you're building that house, you've got 10 tradespeople on hand to help you build that house. So you've got the first one who's talking about the foundations, the second one who's talking about the windows or the walls, the third one about the roof, the fourth one about the kitchen you need to install once you finish building it. They're all great tradespeople. They all really know their stuff. But you're still on the foundations. It's great advice. It's great advice at the wrong time. On the other hand, if you imagine, well, we're dealing with the foundations, but I've got 5 different people who lay foundations. They're all great tradespeople. They all really know this stuff, but they all do it a slightly different way. And each way has its own pros and cons. The problem is, I'm not a builder. I don't know which way is going to be the best for my particular house, because I don't have that experience. So rather than being helpful, it becomes confusing and paralyzing, because how do you make a choice if you don't have the experience? And I think it's the same thing with YouTube. Now, as I've said before, I wanted to start this channel for almost 10 years. So I've watched a lot of how to do YouTube videos. Never quite worked up the courage? Well, I have. I've tried, failed miserably, deleted the video, but that's another story. But watching all these YouTubers, they all have their different methods, and some are aimed solely at beginners and are saying, whatever you've got, just that. And some are like, here's the finer detail of this editing skill that I don't even know what they're talking about. And if I'm watching them all, I'm not producing videos. I'm certainly not producing a video every day. So in order to do this challenge, I've limited myself to one creator for any given topic, and it has to be a topic that is relevant to what I'm currently working on. Now, the example I gave in the video a couple of days ago was I've been using Alexander the Create's pull, paint, point method to have half a chance of remembering what I'm talking about and present to camera. Now, there are lots of people who will tell you how to present to camera or what methods to use, such as, your hook, your whatever. They're all, I'm sure, really good advice. But there's 2 reasons I chose Thomas from Alexander the Create. One, I actually like his style. I like the way he presents. I like the way he tells the story. And that's something I want to emulate. So he would seem like a good person to follow and take their advice. 2, he explains it in a way I can clearly understand. So that's also helpful. And I've stalled again. It happens. We're editing today. I don't want to edit today. Tell you what. There we go. So that is what I'm working on now. I'm actually working on trying to present to camera better. So that's why I'm looking at Thomas from Alexander the Create. I like his style. That's why I've chosen him. Is he objectively the best person on YouTube for presenting to camera? Probably not. But he is someone I like. He is someone I can understand. His method seems to be working reasonably well for me. And right now, my goal isn't to know everything about presenting to camera. My goal is to film the next video. And so far, this seems to be working for me. So, maybe it'll work for you too. Tomorrow, I'm going to be talking about to batch or not to batch record.